Hello Osu players out there. So I think a month or two ago I did a video on an Osu keypad called the SimPad V2. So this thing has been one of my favorite things to use while playing Osu. I like being able to swap out the switches and whatnot. So recently the people that have made this thing have reached out to me and asked if I want to do a video on their new keypad. So yeah, this video is sponsored. And here it is. They have sent me the newest keypad or something like that. I have not opened it yet, so yeah, we're gonna unbox it right now. I'm looking at this and it says that this is sent from China.
Tadaima.
Now we're ready to unbox. Alright, I can't see out of this thing. Okay. Here it is the box. Alright, so it's a SimPad Nano with a Gateron red switches. Alright, so we got USB to USB-C cable. Alright, so here it is. This is the keypad. It's so tiny. Look at that. It's so tiny. Yeah, it's like a quarter of the size of the other SimPad. Other things that comes in the box. There's a keycap puller. Also comes with two like clear keycaps and a little sticky pad thingy for the bottom of the keypad. I can't get over how tiny this thing is. This is so tiny. You can actually wear this as a necklace. All right, here is the sound test for this keypad. Is Gateron red switch. So very interesting. So let's get this plugged in and we'll see how it goes. All right, so I got the original SimPad right here, and this is the SimPad Nano. Ooh, RGB as well. It has lighting. I like these matte black keycaps, but they do provide us with some transparent ones, which are very nice. I kind of want to switch them out. It does look like it is hot swappable, so you can't actually pull the key switches out. So yeah, you can pull out these key switches, so they are hot swappable key switches. Look at that. That looks nice. Let's play some Osu.
Click the circles.
I should put the pad on. Wait, if I put this pad on, does that mean that's stuck to my table forever? What if I want to move it? All right, I guess I'm just sticking it on a random place on my table, and now it's not gonna move. And also, I can't take it out. So it's gonna be stuck here forever. Oh my god, I need to move it. I need to move it. Fuck. What?
Bitch, what's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch.
Okay guys, final verdict on the SimPad Nano. Alright, what I like about this is that it is very tiny, which is really awesome. So like, if you don't have a lot of desk space, or if you're always traveling, or you just want to play Osu on an airplane, this is pretty good for a mechanical keypad thing. I think maybe a lot of like laptop users might be interested in picking one of these up. The Nano is cheaper than the full-size keypad. I think this thing goes for $12, $13 around there for US, and then $10 for shipping. I will have the link to where you can buy this keypad down in the description below. All right, compared to the big SimPad. So the first thing you're gonna notice is that this thing does not have the 3 extra buttons over here. And I use these quite a lot. So I use one of them for random, one of them for reset, and one of them for like something else. The Nano does have a little button on the side right here where you can press and then it will restart the song. However, it's really hard to like get to. It's not as easy as just simply like pressing a button on the top. You have to like kind of push it from the side. So it takes a little bit more effort, which is better than not having anything at all. Or you can just use your keyboard to restart songs and search for songs. They do also have software drivers where you can change like the colors of the lighting and also like input delays and whatnot, and also set macros and whatnot. Another great thing about these keypads is that you can swap out the switches. So if you don't like Gateron red switches, you can swap them out. Personally, I play better with Gateron red switches, so I've been using that a lot. So in the future, I think I'll still be using the original SimPad just because it has the 3 extra buttons. But yeah, if you're interested in getting one of these, please check them out. I have a link in the description. If you have not followed my Twitch channel yet, please do. I stream almost every other day. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. All right, as always, see you later.